Hi, in this tutorial we are going to consider mathematics paper 1 and we are going to use a 2021 paper 1 GCE exam as an exam build-up revision in order to develop the concepts that can help us prepare for an exam in paper 1 on a region called circle theorem. When we talk about circle theorem, we are going to have different relatable properties, but amongst all, in an exam, there are about 3 to 4 properties that you can apply on the questions that are going to be asked in order for you to find the missing or the given angles in terms of how they can be applied. The question says in the diagram below, A, B, C, and D are points on the circumference of a circle, center O. And we have, that is A. This angle which is created on A is the angle that is created on the circumference, being that this A lies on the surface of the circle. By the way, the surface of the circle is known as the circumference or the perimeter. And as a result, the angle created on the circumference will be twice to be the angle created on the center, in the sense that if we have 20 degrees here, it will be 40 degrees here. And also, we can be able to confirm that this line, that line, and that line, they are making a quadrilateral inside a circle. And as a result, opposite angles in a quadrilateral of a circle adds up to 180 degrees. Let's begin. Find BOD. So this is BOD. The first important thing, let's identify where our angle is located. It is located on the center. And the relationship as a property that we should be able to bring to memorization is that if this is the angle in the center and that it is unknown, its relationship is compared to that of at the circumference, in the sense that the one at the circumference should be doubled to get what is at the center. And by that I mean 36 multiplied by 2 is the angle at the center, or 36 degrees plus another 36 degrees consecutively. So here we're going to say the angle is 36 degrees multiplied by 2, and as a result we're going to say 36 times 2 is going to give us 72 degrees. We move on to BCD. When we talk about BCD, like I said, a quadrilateral inside a circle should only be determined if 4 corners of it are able to touch the circumference of the circle, like here, there, and here. Which means this 36 degrees is an opposite angle to this angle which is created here. And as a result, we're saying that is BCD plus 36 degrees, everything is going to be equivalent to 180 degrees. Then I'm going to say BCD equals to 180 degrees minus 36 degrees. So BCD equals to, so when you subtract 180 minus 36, this is going to give us 144 degrees. And when we have this angle, we can now determine the last one. And do not forget the ideas that we were developing as we are trying on to move on to the next question. The first one was that BOD was the angle at the center. What you do, the angle at the center is found or created if it can be compared to that on the circumference, in the sense that the angle on the circumference is doubled to get the angle at the center. And as a result, we say 36 degrees multiplied by 2, thereby having 72. Then BCD, this is the angle that is in opposite to the other angle, but in a quadrilateral inside of a circle. And what property is that? Opposite angles in a quadrilateral inside a circle always adds up to 180. So I said BCD plus, the opposite was 36 degrees equals to 180 degrees. And I crossed over like terms and I said 180 degrees minus 36, thereby having a difference of 144 degrees. And for the last one, it says CBF. CBF. If you can observe, this is a tangent. A tangent is a line that touches a circle at one point. And as a result, if this is the tangent, it is perpendicular to this line. When I say perpendicular, it means it is forming a 90 degrees. And as a result, we have also this quadrilateral, where we're trying to say this is a quadrilateral like this one. So I have this one is 72 degrees, this one is 144. And also these two lines, or these two symbolical mathematical expressions, are trying to say this angle and that angle are equal. So we can name this one as x and x. So we cannot be able to find C, B, F, which is just here, if we cannot know this angle. So as a result, you are going to add x plus 144 plus 72. Those are angles inside what is being formed as a minor quadrilateral inside a circle. So we're going to say x plus 72 degrees plus 144 degrees. Everything is going to be equivalent to 360. All angles in a quadrilateral adds up to 360 degrees. So say x plus x is going to become 2x, and then plus 2 plus 4, that is a 6, 7 plus 14, that is 21. So 216 degrees equals to 360 degrees. So I'm going to say 2x equals 360 degrees minus 216 degrees. So 2x equals, when we subtract this, we're going to say 360 minus 216. So this is a 4, and this is a 4, and then this will be a 1. So which means this is going to give us 144 degrees divided by 2, divided by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel, so x equals to 72 degrees. So it means here there is 72, 72, and 72. Now what we want is here, and this O is a 90, which means 72 plus our angle should be equivalent to 90. By the way, where a tangent touches the circle, it will be perpendicular to the line coming from the center, that being called a radius. And the reason I said this is equal is because they expressed it in that way. And as a result, we're going to say, therefore, CBF plus, that is 72 degrees equals to 90 degrees. So CBF equals to 90 degrees minus 72 degrees. So therefore, CBF. So this one that we have here is simply going to give us 18 degrees. So this is the final answer, CBF. I started by talking about this quadrilateral, which you have here. Thereby we had 144, 72, but we didn't have this one and that one. And since they were equal, we can say x plus this plus that, which is x plus 72 plus 144 equals to 360. 2x equals 216, and thereby x was 72. But it was not the actual angle. We were finding the angle which was also on the tangent. And then the answer was, that is 18 degrees. From out there, this has been Mr. Sensor from Sensor Academy's competitions. If it is the first time on this YouTube channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Invite other exam devotees that are liable to write in an exam, be it for next month or the internal November exam. I hope you find this video very much beneficial. And if you're also watching this from Facebook, kindly hit the follow button, share the page, comment on the video in order at least to alert other exam devotees to find the same video very much beneficial. Make sure that you grab a paper and relate the same in order to develop self-reliance, and always believe in yourself, stay focused and stay determined.